Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys today, explain to you 3 reasons why Toyota Prius can overheat. Number 1 reason is water pump. When water pump electric fails, you will not know. There is no indication. It will cause your head gasket to fail and you're gonna have overheating problems. Because if the water pump is not circulating, that's the one big design flaw Toyota has with their electric pumps. It does not let you know that it failed or it's coming to the end of the life. You just never know. That's the worst part about this engine hybrid. It will cause your, however, there is a solution, there is a way you can actually do it and prevent this from head gasket failing. You can actually, and will be in a separate video. However, it's a design flaw Toyota has on their hybrids. Second is air in the system. See that rear valve? Well, yes, air gets trapped there, and because that sensor right there is what causes your temperature. Right, it reads your temperature and it shows you if it's overheating or not. Your engine might not be overheating if you have air in the system, and that's how you bleed the air. That's a second way. Second reason why it might overheat, because water pump could be good, head gasket good, but trapped air, you have to release, you have to bleed, can cause it to go bad. And this is the engine that has a... And there's another problem, third problem. Not sure if camera can pick it up, but underneath there, by the exhaust, there is a heat exchanger, and there is a valve thermostat. When that fails, it will cause, when water pump is good, there is it will cause vehicle to overheat. It will create air in the system because it's boiling, it's heating up the coolant and creating the bubbles while it's not being circulated. So that's the third problem. Something that you have to look and check individually. And if you want to learn more about these problems, how to troubleshoot, how to prevent head gasket from failure, well, stay subscribed to my channel and I will show you how to troubleshoot and prevent. Thanks for watching.